He doesn't look like a monster. He doesn't look like he's all there. He looks like he's extremely happy. He looks like he's at a concert seeing his favorite band for the first time. Yeah. Let's get to the information. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So the difference? One has a sticker, the other one doesn't. So we will refer to this as the sticker one and the non-sticker one. Okay, look at the nostrils of the Crunchberry Beast. He doesn't look very beast-like. Anti-beast. So, when you look here, you see his nostrils are defined with these black lines, and each one of his dots are also outlined as well. That's cool buck teeth. Then when we look over here at this one, no outlines. Wait a minute. Yes, we do have variations here other than the sticker. The sticker can be removed with heat or careful time, things like that. Or a GameStop employee. That's what I like to use. And when we look at the bottom, 2 different numbers. But wait, I've seen these numbers before. Haven't I? Yeah. So, and then here on the side it'll tell you the name of the character. So, these two, the outlines, not the outlayers, not the outlaws, but the outlines on the teeth and the dots. Seems like they were released at the same time. And then, the ones without the outlines seem to be released at the same time. Hey, how about that? 2 different dispensers, 1 video. So until next time...